The main reason puppies chew objects is to help soothe and loosen the gums around their teeth, which allows the baby teeth to fall out and the new teeth to come through. Different textures offer interesting sensations, which makes it even more appealing. And of course, dogs have no sense of how much an object costs. They are only interested in how it feels in their mouths. Puppies can also chew when they are curious, excited, bored, or anxious. The key thing to remember is you are not wanting to stop your puppy from chewing, as this is natural and healthy for him. You are looking to redirect him to something that you want him to chew. Puppies learn through their mouths, which is why most things go in there. One of the ways to redirect your puppy's chewing is through toys. It is good to have about 3 different toys that are different shapes, sizes and textures. One could also include a Kong that you can fill with food and treats, which will keep your puppy busy while mentally stimulating him at the same time. It is a good idea to take control of the toy box from the beginning, as this will communicate that the toys are yours and will help confirm your higher ranking status in the pack. Playing with your puppy often will give a further good association with the toys. If you give your puppy an old pair of shoes or slippers to chew and play with, they will not know the difference between an old pair and a new pair. So I suggest having toys that are not similar to items that you do not want your puppy to chew. And there are many safe, long-lasting chew toys, especially for teething puppies, such as a raw hide chew, which will keep your puppy happy for hours. Puppies need to be supervised in the same way as toddlers. Should you leave him unattended, it would be advisable to put him in a dog playpen or in his crate if you have chosen one as his bed, which will give you peace of mind and avoid undesirable situations from occurring. Should you catch your puppy chewing something forbidden, say a calm but firm no and replace with something of your choice. You can buy natural sprays which have a bitter flavour or a scent he does not like, and can be put on furniture and doors to deter your puppy from chewing.